Hello everyone, my name is Mabel. I live in Arequipa. I am 20 years old and I am Peruvian. When it comes to my preference, I love Peruvian food, especially ceviche, though I am not a fan of space food. As for music, I really enjoy classic music, but I am not too fond of reggaeton. I love reading books, especially fiction novels, but I am not very into working out of the gym. Additionally, I adore traveling and discovering new places, but I dislike traffic and crowds. I am very excited to be here and I look forward to working together and learning a lot for all for you. Thank you for the warm welcome.